Hey guys, welcome to the video. My name is Melissa. If you're new here, please make sure to subscribe. If you're not new here, thank you so much for coming back. Today we have a very short but very necessary video because the world needs to understand a little bit more about brining chicken. It's very necessary because there's a lot of dry chicken out there in the world and we need to solve that problem, okay? So we're gonna solve that problem together today. This is a really quick video. Enjoy.
All right, so we're going to start with our ingredients. These are the best ingredients for no-fail brine every time. We've got brown sugar, salt, soy sauce, olive oil, apple cider vinegar, some dried thyme, fresh rosemary, and some bay leaves. All right, to a stock pot, we've got a gallon of water, and we're going to add our 3/4 cup of salt, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, and a 3/4 cup of soy sauce. And then all of our herbs, we've got some fresh rosemary from my garden, a few bay leaves. Normally we use about 3 bay leaves, but these ones are a little bit older, so we're using 6 of them. And a tablespoon of dried thyme. Then 1/4 cup of olive oil. And 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. And our last steps are to just cover this pot, turn the heat up high, bring it to a rolling boil, let it boil for 15 minutes like so. And after that 15 minutes, we kill the heat and just leave it there to cool down. We want to cool this down to 90 degrees before we add any of our chicken. So we have 4 chicken breasts that we threw in here. This brine recipe can definitely handle a lot more chicken. Sometimes we like to do a whole bird or get like a pack that has a bunch of thighs, legs, etc. But yeah, so we will cover this, leave it in the fridge for a good 12 to 24 hours. I prefer a 12-hour brine. My boyfriend likes a 20-hour brine. And after that, you can take your chicken out, you can freeze it, you can leave it in the fridge, you can start cooking it right away for any of your favorite recipes. But yeah, you have no excuse anymore to continue serving dry chicken. It's just not fun. Nobody likes it. Start impressing your friends with this great brine chicken that you now know how to make. All right, guys, leave a comment down below if you tried it. Make sure to thumbs up the video and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.